This video is going to show you how to create a Google form, which is something we can embed into our LMS. It can be used to create quizzes, assignments, polls, essays. So this is what you need to do. You need to open a new browser. Over here on the right, you're going to see the waffle. So you're going to hit the waffle. Then you're going to select Google Drive. So this is just like your OneDrive where all your files are saved for Microsoft Office, but this is all related to Google. So this is the Google Forms, Google Slides, which is PowerPoint, Google Docs, which is Microsoft Word. So you need to select New, drop down to More, and then right here is Google Forms. So this is the basic template that it sets up to. Right here is the title for the Google form, and it will sync and change right here. So this will be food truck survey. And it saves automatically to your OneDrive as you work on it. And if you click here, it'll quickly change to what you have here. So here is my first question. I'm going to type it in. So my question is, what type of food would you want on the truck? A lot of times it defaults to short answer, and this is where you can put in a simple sentence or two as your answer. You can do paragraph if you want a really long response, multiple choice, check boxes, or drop downs. So the first one I'm going to show is multiple choice. It starts out with option 1. So I'll put pizza, and then you'll hit add option. I'll put burgers. And you can continue to add as many choices as you want. So this is how they would do it. They would come and select the circle. Now with multiple choice, they can only choose one circle. So if I do a check box, they would be able to check as many boxes or as few as they wanted to answer the question. If I want more than one question, I can hit the plus, and now I have a new question. What type of pizza? So then I can do the multiple choice again, I can do the check boxes, and I can continue this process for as many questions as I want. Now, right here, you'll see this required. Right now, it is selected. So if I turn it off, that means they do not have to answer my question. If they want to skip it, they can. But if I check this and slide it over, they have to answer my question. They can't submit this form without answering it. So you can come up to this paint palette. You can choose the theme colors if you want to do it that way. You can also choose from their image library. They have all kinds of choices here. And you would select it, and then it will upload. And then even then you can start to change different colors of items as well. So then you're ready to share it out to your PowerSchool for student responses. So you're going to select send, and you want to select right here these two little carrots that are looking in at each other. And I'm going to copy, by hitting that button, the embed HTML. So this is going to embed it within my PowerSchool where they can see it without having to leave PowerSchool. So now I'm ready to go back to PowerSchool. I find where on my PowerSchool I want it. I hit Add Content block. Then I want to select Embed the Web. So in this box, I'm going to hit Control B or right-click Paste, and I'm going to select Next. I'm going to title it. I'm going to put Please Vote. If you want to add a description here, you may. I'm going to choose where on my page I want it. This is a survey for people to vote about my food truck. So I want it at the top so they see it right away. And I'm going to click Save. And right there is my survey. So I put what type of food would you want on the truck. So they can select as many as they want or as few as they want. But it has this red asterisk, which means required. So here's what type of pizza. I only have one option, so I'm going to select it. And then they're going to submit it. And it's going to tell them they submitted. Now, for you, you can go back to your actual Google form, and right here is this tab called Responses. I can see a summary of all the responses, like I've had 100% feedback. I can go to the individual and see the individual responses. And that is how you use Google Forms.